Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this super chunky cowl, and it works up very quickly. You'll need approximately 400 yards of this yarn, and here it is in a few different colors. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free, or on Etsy. HectaFavorites is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns. To make this cowl, you're going to work with a super chunky yarn and an 8mm or even a 9mm crochet hook. And you'll find the link below where you can download the printed pattern. So you're going to start with a slip knot, 45. Okay, I've gone ahead and I have chained 45. And that's quite a wide cowl. If you would prefer a more narrow cowl, start with any number in an odd number. Double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet. Double crochet in every stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, and for my demo I only chained 37, and that results in approximately a 16-inch wide cowl. Okay, for the 3rd row you're going to chain 1 and turn the work. Don't work into that stitch because this chain 1 takes the place of that stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch and in each stitch all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, working 1 single crochet in each stitch, and now for the remainder of the entire cowl you're going to repeat row 2 and 3, which is 1 row of double crochet and 1 row of single crochet. So to make the row of double crochet you're going to chain 3 and you turn that work and work back down the row. That chain 3 takes the place of the first double crochet. So you won't work in this stitch, you go directly to the next stitch and double crochet, and then double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. And when you're done working this row of double crochet, you'll chain 1 and turn, and you'll work a row of single crochet. And it works up very quickly. So it's a row of double and a row of single, double, single, until the work measures approximately 28 inches. At that point, you can either bring the 2 ends together and slip stitch all the way across to form a circular cowl, or you could just leave it open and close it with a shawl pin. So you're just going to repeat those 2 rows for 28 inches, and you're going to end with a row of single crochet. And this pattern calls for fringe all along the bottom. You can cut your yarn for the fringe in any length you like. The pattern calls for 20 inches, which would be a 10-inch fringe. So then you're going to take 2 strands together, and you're going to form a lark's head knot. So you'll insert your hook into the stitch and pick up the fold of your 2 strands of yarn, pull it through, and then just pick up the ends and pull those through like that, and that's how you form the fringe. So that's it. That's all you need to know to be able to crochet this Yarn Inspirations chunky fringy cowl. And I'm going to put the link below where you can go and download the instant download pattern for free. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Today I'm using Red Heart Super Saver chunky yarn, And I'm going to use red and royal blue. And a 6.5mm crochet hook. This hat works from the bottom up. And I'm going to start with a chain that is long enough to wrap around the head. So here are the number of chain stitches that you will work for each size. Okay, I've worked my chain. Slip stitch to join, being careful not to twist the chain. So slip stitch to join. Chain 2, 1, 2. Double crochet in each stitch around. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert it through the stitch, pull up the yarn, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. And I'm going to continue to make double crochet all the way around, and at the end of the row I will slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. Okay, I made a double crochet in each stitch all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. For the next row, I'm going to alternate front and back post double crochet. So first chain 2 to get started. To make a front post double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert the hook under the post from the front. So that's a front post, and then complete the double crochet. To make a back post, yarn around the hook, from the back, come around the post, pull up the yarn, complete the double crochet. So I'm going to work all the way across, alternating front post double crochet and back post double crochet. So front post double crochet and back post double crochet. So I'm going to work all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. And that's the bottom of the hat. And now I'm going to change to red, and I'm just going to make double crochet all the way across the row, and then I'm going to make double crochet in blue, and then I'm going to make front post and back post, and I'm just going to keep repeating that. One row of double crochet in red, one row of double crochet in blue, front and back post in blue. So to change color, I'm simply going to pull my yarn up in that last stitch. I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to double crochet in each stitch all the way around. So double crochet in each stitch all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around in red. The end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. And now I'm going to pull up my blue and I slip stitch, chain 2, and double crochet in each stitch all the way around. So you'll work all the way around, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2, and then the next row will be front and back post double crochet. There's my 2 rows of blue, my row of double crochet in red, and I'm working my row of double crochet in blue, and then front and back post double crochet will be the next row, and then just continue to repeat that. 1 row of double crochet, 1 row of front and back post, double crochet in red, double crochet in blue, front and back post, and then repeat 1 row in red, 1 row in blue, 1 row front and back post, 1 row red, 1 row blue, 1 row front and back post double crochet. And for the cowl, that will be it. You'll be finished. And I have a video on how to make these little buttons to add as tags to your finished garments, so you could just sew that onto your cowl. And now I'll show you how to make this into a hat. Okay, to make this into a hat, leave a long yarn in, or start with a separate length of yarn, and weave through the top row of stitches. Just pass through every 3rd stitch or so. Knot this, and then just weave your yarn ends back and forth into the finished hat. And I'll put a link below on how to make these faux fur pom-poms. And also the link will be below for how to make these tags. So then you can just attach this tag to the bottom of the hat and attach a pom-pom on the top. And there you go. That's a very easy hat and cowl set that you can make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.